Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. And here is a CTF video, and the challenge is actually from Hackazon CTF. This going on, and the challenge name is audible transmission. As the name suggests, something audible. So let's download the file, copy the file name, file link, and make a directory audible transmission. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Audible transmission. Now let's download it. I have downloaded it, and there is our file of wave. How can I open it? So I am going to open it from directory. I think there is a music player. I don't know, but mp3 mp quick command for player. I don't know. Sorry, I have to open it manually. Recents, and you can see there are many. And this is the file. Maybe you not like this file, but this is the challenge file. And now let's go to solve for this challenge. We have to open up Firefox. So these type of challenges are actually Stigo challenges, for which we have to use the tools from this file. We have to actually extract the data. What is the flag from the sound video? And the best tool for this type of challenge, like where dot wave extension file is there, maybe like some uh, actually if I get the name, sorry, like Sonic, maybe, yeah, this is Sonic visualizer tool. We have to download this. If we are using Linux, download it as a primary. And when you download it, just use the command sudo dpk dpkg-i and your file name like Sonic or anything like Sonic visualizer .dev. And if you are facing the problems like installing this app, there are actually the files, like I have maybe the file, no file, I don't have file, sorry. And maybe there are libraries in your OS is not found, so download these libraries. Just extract these libraries now name from the errors and download it. And right now I have sound visualizer, so I'm going to open it, and there's our sound visualizer. Here is sound visualizer, and open the file like secret message.wave, and you have to go to the pane, and then you have to go to spectrogram and open this file as spectrogram, and you got the first flag tag lock, and here is our second flag, which I am unable to read from last 30 minutes, and I don't know why I can't read. Maybe this time I am able to read. You can see there are some characters. I don't know. And then their characters at the bottom they are like AS. You can see there is characters. I want to change the colors. Maybe they will. I am able to read the characters. I don't know what are the characters actually. It is looking like in the beginning CTF and I don't know any color, any other color. You can see this bottom the characters. Hope you are able to read the characters. Oh, I am not able to read that. There is white on black. No, they are not able to read. I don't know. So here is our video and thank you for watching. If you are able to read it, please comment on this video and also like the video. Thank you for watching.